Hello guys, another day, another video as always. This time again a toy. तो इसको ओपन करते हैं. There is a remote inside. Wow, and here it is. There will be some rechargeable batteries. Yes, there is a cable, recharging cable, and there is the battery. So this is it. There are some scratches on the car as I see. But I mean, those are always there in packaging and all. I know. Previous cars also, which I have received, had some scratches, but the cars worked fine. So, anyways, and this car is beautiful, so I don't want to return it anyway. So, design is very good, as you see. Looks superb. Resembles a proper BMW grille from here. Okay. And this rooftop also resembles properly the BMW i8. The tail lights also resemble properly with the i8. Okay, but I don't know if these tail lights are working. I don't think they work. Headlights might be working. Let's see. And this complete portion, even the alloys are properly designed and resemble that original car. Only thing is there is no branding, as you see. There is no branding of BMW. So this is not a licensed copy, neither on the front nor at the back. So this is not a licensed copy, that is clear. But anyways, the car is good. So this remote will need two AA size batteries. We'll put that and we will charge this. Resembles the original car properly. This looks to be a bit customized version of the car, but looks super cool. And I think this will look beautiful while running as well. I've put the batteries in the remote. This has been charged now somewhat. Let's see how it works. So guys, after putting the batteries, see, I've made the button on and now you can see lights. Isme nahi hai headlights. They are there in the grille, in the BMW signature grille. So lights, the two blue lights are given in the signature grille and they look awesome. Because of the light of this ring light, because of the focus on the ring light, they are not visible, but these actually are blue. It's a very much beautiful looking on the car. And these are blue lights. You can see in the reflection in the TV screen, those are blue. Let's see. Ooh, it's working. Yes, it's working fine. Wow, it's nice. Guys, you can see how it works. I have not charged it more. The speed is not that much always. The speed is like this only I have seen. So, but works good. I mean, it's not like, it's a bit heavy car, so does not go by high speed. As you see, there are no rear lights, only front lights in the BMW grille. Wherever it goes, the reflection of the lights is always on the ground, see, as you can see. Nice car. It's going towards the metal collection of mine. A very nice car. The blue lights look awesome. And the body line and the design of this car is very good. I mean, it's actually been replicated properly from the i8. So I really like it. So guys, now you can see in the dark how it looks. The blue lights given in the typical BMW grille are awesome. So look very beautiful in the dark. Now there is some light so that you can see now how the car looks. The MRP of this car was around 2499. However, I got it at a very cheap discount, like very cheap price, around 499 bucks. So it's nothing for this car. It's a big car. So it's worth it. So that's it, guys. If you like this car, do consider buying. If you like this video, please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and thanks a lot. Bye bye.